So how to withdraw money from Swagbucks to your PayPal account. So you have to log in on the swagbucks.com. This is going to be their website. So click on your account, just hover on your profile in the upper right section, looking for settings. So once you click on settings right there, it will ask you to verify your account because right on this part right here, this is the part where you can link your PayPal. So basically logged in, verify, and I'll see you once I'm done verifying my account. So welcome back to the video. This is how it should look like. Under settings, after you verify it, you're going to see under link account, simply click on link account right there. It will redirect me to another website. Just enter your phone number to your PayPal account mobile number, click on send code, and from there, it will have a link. We just click that link right there, and you're good to go. It's going to be easy as that. The key here is you have to verify your email in Swagbucks. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.